Okay guys, today I want to show you guys this Kodak Retina 1B camera. It's a very nice camera. Personally I like this kind of cameras, like folding type. Let me show you the aesthetics. I'm gonna open it for you first. So this is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. So this one it's a bit of an odd thing about it is that the light meter sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. So you see it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. You need to hit it a bit. You need to put your hand here and you knock it a few times, then it start to work. So it's the odd thing about it, but yeah, as you can see it works lah. So it's a selenium meter and all. The camera itself. Okay, so the aesthetics is as it is. Then this is the lens. Let me dust it off a bit. Okay, so this is the lens. Let me focus here. Okay. Retina 50mm f2.8. Gonna open behind. Alright, so this is the back end parts. So gonna put it at f2.8. So how you adjust the aperture is like you need to put your finger here, then you change it like this. So now it's f2.8. So I'm gonna start at 500 shutter speed. I'm gonna wind it and show you. Okay, so it works. I'm gonna move it to 250 shutter speed. Wind it. Okay. I'm gonna move it to 125. Oh, when it was 250, I think I didn't adjust the aperture. Let me wait. 250 f2.8. Okay. Alright. And now is 125. Okay. Okay. Next is 60. Okay. Next is 30. Okay. Next is 15. Okay. Next is 108. Okay. 1/4. Okay. Half speed. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Pop mode. So can you change the aperture? Yeah. Okay. Should we bomb it from the front? Alright, so this is a Kodak Retina 1B lens. I mean 1B camera with the lens together. It's a folding camera, so it's very interesting. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye. God bless.